What is up, YouTube family? Welcome back to another video. I'm excited to introduce you guys to somebody that's been a big inspiration to me in my life.
What's up? How you doing, guys?
This is my dad. Like I said, I've talked about him in the past and I've mentioned him in the videos.
We're here trying to fix this car, you know, and then see if we can make some profit. You know, and it's a lot of work, but I think we will be able to do it.
Good. I'm glad we finally get to team up and do something, do like a little project like this and work on cars. We bought this car together and we're both working on it together. My dad has a lot of experience in terms of working on cars. Whenever one of our cars needed something done, if he can physically do it here at home, he would. Over the years, he's gained some mechanic skills and he knows, you know, a decent amount about cars. And just working on cars is gonna expand our knowledge a little bit. We'll be able to learn more. We're gonna be cleaning it up, fixing it up, and doing some things to it, you know, fixing up the paint, the interior. He's been working on the interior right now. You can see him back there working. The person that owned it before, I'm assuming was like a smoker and he used to smoke weed. So the interior was really, really bad and my dad cleared it up already. It's starting to look much better. Still needs a lot of work. We got it for a very good deal. Now we're gonna put some time and money into this car. We're gonna use that money to buy another car, flip that car, make some more money, and keep buying cars, flipping cars, making money. That way we can be able to mod the BRZ, which is what I know everybody's here for. But this is, I feel like it's a good series for the channel. You guys will get to learn more about my dad and our relationship and everything that we do to the cars. This will be like an intro video to this new series that we're gonna be doing on the channel. It's gonna be pretty short and quick. I'll get straight to the point. I'll show you guys what the car needs. From the engine itself, the car needs new motor mounts, which we ordered. We'll be doing an install video here at the house. We're gonna do it ourselves. It needs 2 new tires. There's a leak in the flex pipe, and that's an easy fix though. We'll take care of that easily. I'm gonna keep you guys posted on the car and the process and everything that we do to the car. We're gonna be working together, me and my pops. It's about time, man. I love this guy. He's a great guy, man. Aww. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And you know, I'll show my dad how he can reply to you guys in the comment section. I hope you guys do stick around. If you guys decide to hit that notification bell for when we post videos. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.